Hi everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. And today we're gonna learning about easy Korean word. 오늘은 저희가 쉬운 한글 단어들을 공부해 볼 거예요. Then let's have a look. 그럼 한번 볼까요? Headline, 낱말 쓰기. 낱말 쓰기. 낱말 means words and 쓰기 means writing. 쌍기역이 들어가는 낱말을 큰 소리로 읽고 따라 써요. So first word is 꿀, 꿀, because here is 쌍기역, K, double K, and U is U, and ending consonant 받침 리을이 들어가서 L. So pronunciation is 꿀, 꿀. We're writing 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 열하나. 꿀, 꿀. 꿀 is honey. Honey in Korean is 꿀, 꿀. And next, 쌍기역 plus 아 and ending consonant 이응. 깡, 깡. 쌍기역 아 is A and ending consonant 이응 is ing. 깡 and 통, 깡통, 깡통. 티읕 plus O plus ing. 깡통, 깡통 is can. Can in Korean is 깡통, 깡통. We're writing 깡통. And next, here's same word like first one, 꿀, 꿀 plus 벌. 비읍, B plus 어 is 요, and ending consonant 받침 리을 is L. 꿀벌, 꿀벌. 꿀벌 is honeybee. Honey, bee. It's cute, very cute. 사진이 너무 귀엽네요. Honeybee in Korean is 꿀벌, 꿀벌, 꿀벌. Next. I think this word we learned my last video. 이 단어는 저희 저번 동영상에서 배운 거예요. So this is 두꺼비, 두꺼비. Here's a double consonant 꺼, 쌍기역 두꺼비. 두꺼비 is toad. It's kind of frog. I think it's bigger than frog. Toad. 두꺼비, 두꺼비. And last one. Here is 미음 plus E is B, and 쌍기역 is double K, and 으 is EU. 끄, 끄. And 리을 plus 어 plus ending consonant 미음 is M, and 티읕 plus 으, and ending consonant 리을 is L. So this is 미끄럼틀, 미끄럼틀. 미끄럼틀 is slide. So we can see at the playground, slide, like sliding here, from here to there. 미끄럼틀. 미끄럼틀. 미끄럼틀 is playground, slide. So I'm gonna speak everything one more time. 꿀 is honey. 꿀. 깡통 is can. 깡통. And 꿀벌 is honeybee. 꿀벌. And 두꺼비. 두꺼비 is toad. 두꺼비. Last one. 미끄럼틀. 미끄럼틀 is slide. 미끄럼틀. So that's all for me today. 오늘은 여기까지고요. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 좋아요와 구독하기 눌러주세요, 여러분. Then see you later, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.